需要我帮个忙吗？
谢谢。
你要退房吗？
对
你回国吧？
对，去机场。
哇，好重！哇，这是你的衣服吗？
不是，是一些药和化妆品。
为什么？
我是做生意的，国际贸易。
是这样的。
我们那里的药和化妆品有点不行。我们到了1楼了。
好的，谢天谢地。
滚！
什么？
滚！
哎。Hi there, I'm Oliver. If you want to understand this lesson, you must have studied all my previous lessons. You can find them on the website ChineseWithOliver.com. In China, they make many products, many real products, but also many fake products. The Chinese people are very smart, they know what's going on, so they prefer to buy some products from other countries. For example, medicines and makeup. 需要我帮个忙吗？
谢谢。
你要退房吗？
对
你回国吧？
对，去机场。
I ask, 需要我帮个忙吗？ Do you need me to 帮个忙? 帮忙, that means to help, lend a hand. 需要我帮个忙吗? I say 帮个忙. It's like lend a hand. I ask, 你要退房吗? Do you want to 退房? 退房 literally means to retreat from your room. In English we say to check out. You only use this verb in a hotel. Then I say 你回国吧? You know all these characters. 回国 literally means return to country. It actually means to return to your own country. This is a typical Chinese expression, so in general it means to go back to China. She says, 对，去机场. Correct, I go to 机场. 机场, you have seen both characters before. Do you remember 飞机? That was a flying machine, or an airplane. And Tiananmen Guangchang, that was the square of heavenly peace. 机场, that means airport. 需要我帮个忙吗？
谢谢。
你要退房吗？
对
你回国吧？
对，去机场。
哇，好重！哇，这是你的衣服吗？
不是，是一些药和化妆品。
为什么？I say, 哇，好重！ Wow, very 重！ 重, that means heavy. I ask, 这是你的衣服吗? Is this your 衣服? 衣服, that means clothes. She replies, 是一些药和化妆品. They are some 药 and 化妆品. 药 means medicine or medicines. 化妆 means makeup. And 品, that is a product. So 化妆品, that means makeup products. 哇，好重！哇，这是你的衣服吗？
不是，是一些药和化妆品。
为什么？
我是做生意的，国际贸易。
是这样的。
我们那里的药和化妆品有点不行。
She says, 我是做生意的。I am 做生意。You already know 做, it means to make or to do. And 生意, that is business. 做生意, do business. 国际贸易. 国际 is international. And 贸易, that is trade. 国际贸易, international trade. I say, 是这样的. It is this way. Then she says, 我们那里的药和化妆品有点不行. Our, over there. Medicines and makeup products, a bit not okay.
为什么？
我是做生意的，国际贸易。
是这样的。
我们那里的药和化妆品有点不行。我们到了1楼了。
好的。
She says, 我们到了1楼了. We arrived at 1楼. She says le twice. That is colloquial Chinese. The second le is not necessary. 楼 is a floor in a multi-floor building. As you know, 1, 2, 3, that is san. But if you want to say first, second, third, etc., then you must say d before the number. So de, dr, san. So you would think the first floor, that would be de lo, but no. In Chinese, when you talk about a floor, you don't say first floor, but one floor. So the second floor is lo, 2 floor. Please remember, in China, the first floor is the ground floor. In some countries, the ground floor and first floor are not the same. The number 4 in Chinese is se, and the verb to die, that is se. These two characters have almost the same pronunciation, and therefore the number 4 in China is the unlucky number. That is why some buildings don't have a 4th floor. 4楼.
我们到了1楼了。
好的。谢天谢地。
滚！
什么？
滚！
And now it's time for another wonderful expression. 谢天谢地. You can see 谢谢, that means thanks. And you see 天, that is heaven. So thank heaven, thank di. Di, that means earth or ground. 谢天谢地, thank heaven, thank the earth. In English we would say thank God. Before we arrive at the climax of this lesson, please press the pause button and say out loud what these 8 characters mean. In the end, the girl says guan. As you remember from lesson 1, guan means go away, get lost. But the original meaning of guan is to roll. She sees me carrying the heavy suitcase, so she wants to say, you can roll it.
谢天谢地。
滚！
什么？
滚！
Right, now I will show you the dialogue once more, but this time without subtitles.
需要我帮个忙吗？
谢谢。
你要退房吗？
对
你会过吧？
对，去机场。
哇，好重！哇，这是你的衣服吗？
不是，是一些药和化妆品。
为什么？
我是做生意的，国际贸易。
是这样的。
我们那里的药和化妆品有点不行。我们到了1楼了。
好的。谢天谢地。
滚！
什么？
滚！
You can find all the lessons on the website ChineseWithOliver.com.